Now, DigiYatra, which is India's facial recognition platform, has transformed the way people travel with long queues for entries that has now become a thing of the past at most airports in the country. But what happens if you are twins? A rather peculiar reality that has come to the center stage just recently. Two passengers who are identical twin brothers try to enter the Mumbai airport using the facial recognition-enabled DigiYatra gates. However, the system flagged an error which indicated that more than one person matched the same face and denied them access. A video has now surfaced. It has rather gone viral, in which one of the twins is explaining their predicament and appealing to DigiYatra to do something for the twins, as a result of which the duo was even compelled to stand in a long queue to get inside the airport. The video has garnered over 62,000 views and generated a debate over a newly discovered issue in the facial recognition system. Meanwhile, DigiYatra responded to the video. It appreciated the twins for highlighting the issue and offered them assistance. While DigiYatra promises streamlined travel, incidents like these are a reminder that technology can have limitations too. Our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this detailed report.
DigiYatra that promises to have a smooth and contactless experience and travel at the airport turned out to be not so smooth for the twin brothers who were recently traveling from Mumbai airport. In one of the videos that has been shared on an Instagram by one of the twin brothers, he clearly has complained that how the facial recognition system did not get detected when both the brothers were trying to enter through the DigiYatra queue. The biometric gate immediately flashed a message saying access denied, which meant that more than one face already has entered the system. So this, of course, had confused the twin brothers, who have been already registered as DigiYatra users, is what we understand. And they had to quit the DigiYatra queue and had to go through the manual verification process at the gate, which took them a lot of time. Of course, missing out on the fast track facility which is available for DigiYatra users. So this was sort of a harrowing experience for the twin brothers at the Mumbai airport.